everybody. Dr. Rick dropping in on you. Hope everybody is having an unbelievable Saturday. In Houston, finally, skies look like they're trying to clear up. It's been gloomy all week. Sun looks to be out. I'm leaving the office, about to head, probably go give the guys at the cigar shop the business for a while, pass some time. Look, no matter what you're doing, I want you to know that all things are possible. I didn't say all things are easy. I didn't say all things come quick. I said that all things are possible, that if you set your mind to it and you can conceive it, it's God's evidence that it's possible. Now, what you put into it, what you invest into this thing that you desire to have, this thing that you have conceived in your mind, you may call it a dream, a vision, whatever it is, it's there and it has power, but you're going to have to nurture it. You're going to have to nurture it with consistently visiting it. You're going to have to nurture it with consistently focusing and pushing forward. You're going to have to nurture it with action that is expressive of the faith and the belief that it is possible. You're going to have to move on it. While I'm here and I'm thinking, before I move any further, I want to remind you about my 7-day launch. If you haven't taken advantage of it yet, now's a good time to take advantage of it. What's the 7-day launch? If you haven't heard, 7-day launch is a formula I've used literally for 10 years. Launching online money-making endeavors, legitimate online money-making endeavors, legitimate online businesses, literally coming up with an idea and being able to use a 5 to 7 step formula or process that allows me to take what I am presenting to people as a service, as a product, as a guide, as whatever, whether it's a deployable asset or it's a one-time off type thing. I literally recovered and started to rebuild my businesses using this process, and I'm telling you that it's quite amazing what I've been able to do, and I want to share that with you. And literally, I've broken it down to 5 to 7 easy steps, depending on what you're going to do and how you're going to do it. Now, the beautiful thing about this is you don't have to have a product, a service, or a business idea for yourself. You can literally take someone else's services and literally make money promoting their services. You can promote their products. You can offer consultations. There's so many different ways you can do this. There's absolutely no limit. And what we do is we're going to initially consult about the best way for you to initiate this. Now, the beautiful thing is it's a wash and repeat. You can do it over and over. I've done it so many times. It's unbelievable. Creating multiple streams of income, many of them on autopilot, meaning that you create the SEO, which is search engine optimization, so that when people search for it, it's there. Every now and then you're going to have to go back and tweak it because new search engine algorithms are always being created, but no big deal. You can learn all that, and then you go back, and what happens is, I tell people all the time, there are things I created 7-8 years ago that at the time was my premier way of that I was going to make money. But as I grew and I was able to get the thing that I was really passionate about online, which was consulting, coaching, counseling, that's what I do. That's what I've always done. That's what I've been good at. I've done a lot of other things that are one-offers that I just saw was a good business opportunity. But what I love doing is being in front of people and showing them how they can be better. But I had to figure out how to get that on there first. So what I did is I decided to find these ways where, hey man, this is already prepared. I can go out there and do it. And I found, hey, you can make money doing this. So then I learned about deployable assets. What's a deployable asset? That's something you create once, put it out there, and it consistently makes money. My books are deployable assets. My videos are deployable assets. My courses are deployable assets, and I can go on. And so you put those things out there, and the internet is this beautiful thing. You put it out there, and it's out there. Now, how well you put it together and put it out there is going to determine how well it serves you. But the thing is, you learn and you grow and you get better and you get better. But the idea is, there's money out there to be created. You can use it as something to supplement your current income. You can use it as something to carry you over until you find your next job. Or you can decide, hey, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sit up and I'm going to go out there and I'm literally going to learn. I'm going to earn money online. I'm going to take my own future and destiny, financial destiny in my hands. I'm going to get better and better at it. I'm going to create this thing and I'm going to grow it. And that's a beautiful thing to have. It's a beautiful thing to wake up in the morning and know that there are some things you can go out and do that isn't dependent upon anybody giving you an opportunity, that the opportunity exists and that you created. I want to help you. I want to show you how I do it. And the beautiful thing is, I am basically doing this at an unbelievable rate. I'm teaching you, I'm giving you several encounters, because I'm going to teach you this over the course of several days. So this isn't a one-off encounter, but it's really close to the price I would give for one session. But I'm going to actually be teaching you how to get off and make money. So you're going to actually get your money back. For $397, I'm going to teach you how to start your first business online and how to turn a profit. So all you got to do is make $400 and you've turned a profit. Not a big one, but you turned a profit. So I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how you can do it and how you can increase your value, increase your earnings, and grow it, and then move into the next idea and take that idea and grow it and grow it. And it's people are out here doing things you wouldn't believe with a lot less skill than you have, probably a lot less level of whatever. I mean, people are getting out here and just deciding, man, I'm going for it, and they're doing things. I want you to be able to capitalize on that. So here's my thing. Let me teach you how I started the business that literally saved my life. Because my business, the businesses I had built up until 2006 to 2010 had started to crumble. A series of decisions that didn't bode well took me out, left me flat. But you see, I'm still standing. And it was because of what I was able to do using the internet. It's that simple. It changed my life. It literally changed my life, and it's still changing my life. It's still expanding me. It's still expanding my reach and my capacity to be able to build and take care of my family. And I want to teach you how you can use it to do the same for you and your family. So go into the description box, click the link, sign up. I'm going to have the support team soon, within 24 hours of you signing up, send you a welcome email, find the date that you want to start, and we're going to start that date, and we're going to move forward. In less than a week, you're going to have your first go at it. And then you can refine it. You're going to have access to me for up to 6 months of just hitting me with questions via email until you refine it and get it right. But I'm telling you, my first thing, I did it that day, got paid that day. I was using PayPal, and so I did it that day, got paid that day, and had access to it that day because PayPal gives you a business debit card, whatever. And a lot of the stuff that I can get immediate access to. Some things you got to wait for payouts. Some payout on the 1st and 15th. I know Constant Content does that. Constant Content was a blessing to me because I was naturally a writer. I was able to earn good income doing writing assignments on Constant Content for clients. I even picked up some long-term clients that wanted me to do stuff on platforms. So it's no end to what's possible. It's time to grow yourself. It's time to grow your revenue streams. It's time to make a change in your life, make a difference in your life so that you can be a difference in the lives of other people. On that note, I'm going to get ready to get off of here. I wish you the best. Have a great day. I look forward to working with you. On that note, I'm out of here.